In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a fully editable calendar into Microsoft Word. If you need a calendar inside a Microsoft Word document, you can insert one and edit its text, dates, layout, and formatting directly in Word. This is useful for schedules, planners, school documents, work documents, and other projects where you want a calendar that you can customize. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Once the document is open, go to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Look for the Tables section and click Table. Instead of creating a basic table manually, look for the Quick Tables option. From the available options, choose Calendar. Microsoft Word may provide several calendar designs that you can select from. Choose the calendar layout that best fits your document and click it to insert it into the page. The calendar will now appear inside your Word document as an editable table. This means you can click inside the individual cells and change the text or information displayed in the calendar. You can edit the dates and other text directly inside the calendar. Simply click inside a cell and select the existing text that you want to change. You can also add your own information to specific dates. For example, you can type appointments, reminders, events, or other notes into the appropriate calendar cells. To change the appearance of the calendar, click inside the table to display the table design and layout options. From there, you can adjust the table formatting, borders, alignment, and other settings. You can also resize the rows and columns if you need more space for your information. Click and drag the edges of the table or its cells to adjust the size. If you want to change the font, select the text you want to modify and use the formatting options in the Home tab. You can change the font style, size, alignment, and other text formatting. Because the calendar is made from editable Word content rather than a single picture, you can continue changing the information whenever you need to. Once you've finished customizing the calendar, review the entire page to make sure the dates, text, spacing, and formatting look correct. You can then save the document and continue using the editable calendar as part of your Word file. And that's how you can insert a fully editable calendar into Microsoft Word. Using an editable calendar allows you to customize the dates, add your own information, and change the design directly inside your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,